Okay, here's a little snapshot of me, Sydney Boltice. That's me up in the top. My beautiful wife, Christy, near the bottom. And in the middle, my three sons. In the middle one, wearing glasses, Trigvi, my oldest. Miles, closest to my beautiful wife. And Simon, closest to me. 17, 14, and 11. I teach in Rock Valley at the community school. I've been a Rock Valley Rocket. Now this is going to be my 20th year, and I'm excited about that. I teach classes like geometry, algebra 2. I teach an applied core mathematics class. I also teach 1 semester of stats, 1 semester of trigonometry, and I get the opportunity to teach calculus as well. Some personal information, personal facts. I guess I love to sing. It's one way I kind of let loose a little bit. I love to just be outside. I call myself a runner, but some people could probably pass me walking, and that's fine with me as well. I like to be outside by my trees. Just a couple quick examples. I got Cam down here. This is my Camelot crab apple. And up here, I got Princess, my peach tree that everybody thought was dead, but no longer. Looking forward to some good peaches this year. And again, nothing but organic for my peach tree. So as I'm going around my peach tree, I've got to take care of the weeds the old-fashioned way. I love my peach tree, and I love my students, and I'm willing to get dirty. Okay, if I were to share a victory, I would have to thank my partners at Math Excel for School. That's where my math curriculum is on. All of my textbooks are there. Students were aware of where they can get some practice work, they can get some help. But I was also so thankful of Explain EDU, Explain Everything, an app on my iPad. So easy to make these videos. This is the way I'm making this video right now. Just a way to have some pictures, have the problem set up, and just kind of just talk my way through it, and they can see it in real time. Just good partners for me. The challenge? Being efficient. Hard to be efficient when everybody has a different schedule. It's hard to think that that's efficient. And that was probably the toughest thing. I was longing for the bells again. This is my first course at Dordt. So my hopes for this course is to learn about e-learning as I learn from e-learning. So that's probably the biggest thing. I'm anxious, a little spooked. Again, it's been 20 years. Maybe hard to learn a few new tricks as an old dog, but still excited for the opportunity and excited to get to know some of you guys as well and learn with you.